If you're using the same old Facebook ad structure in 2025, it's time to change. Let me show you the best Facebook ad structure that you can use in 2025 to get the best results possible. I have been using this exact same Facebook ad structure for the whole of 2024, even during huge sales like Black Friday, and it's always been working. So without further ado, let's get right into it. Let's start at the campaign level. Usually I would have 3 campaigns, which are going to be prospecting, retargeting, and Advantage Plus. I would always optimize for conversions, and I would spread the budget like this. In prospecting, I would have 50% of the budget. Advantage Plus, I would have 30 to 40%, and in retargeting, it's going to be 10 to 20%. This is how we focus on acquiring new customers, and we leave some budget for retargeting. I would never use traffic campaigns or engagement campaigns because simply we do not optimize for these metrics. We want sales, we want purchases. That's why we always optimize for conversions. In my opinion, optimizing for traffic and creating traffic campaigns is a completely waste of money. My recommendation, stick to conversions. Moving on to ad set level. When it comes to the ad sets / audiences, I always target broad or at least very big audiences in the vicinity of 10 million plus, simply because this is what's working at the moment, and narrowing down doesn't work as much anymore. When you have big audiences, it's also easier to scale and you reach a lot more people. Your ads will fatigue less and your audiences won't get saturated. I recommend you to always use ABO, so optimize on the ad set level, because this is how you can control the budget a little bit more and you can split test different audiences more efficiently. For placements, I always use Advantage Plus placements unless I have an ad set that is specifically targeting Reels and Stories. This way we get maximum reach and the CPMs are usually a lot lower. And then moving on to the ad level. I've said it so many times, creatives is the most important part of your Facebook ad strategy. If your creatives are not good, you won't be successful with Facebook ads. That's why you need to focus on a lot of variety. You need to test single images, videos, carousels, DPAs, and you need to put some effort into it if you want them to convert. When it comes to the info labels and Facebook ads enhancements, the info labels, I use some of them, but when it comes to the enhancements, I use the DPA, the relevant comments, and the creative optimization. When it comes to the copy, I do not use multiple text options. If I want to test different text options, I would just simply create another ad. Because if you have multiple text options in one ad, Facebook is not going to tell you which one performs better and which one is driving all of the sales. That's why I do not use it. When it comes to meta ads, I really like to have control over it and to know what's working and what doesn't. That's why I do not use many of the AI optimization settings, because they do optimize your ads in a different way, but they don't tell you what works and what doesn't. And as a business owner, you need to make most of your decisions based on data. And when it comes to marketing, I think data-driven decisions are a lot more important than emotional decisions. Some common mistakes to avoid when running your Facebook ads. The first one is narrow targeting. As I said earlier, targeting broad audiences works better than narrowing down, and you're gonna get better results. It's easier to scale and you're gonna get better metrics. Next one is creative testing. Again, as I said earlier, creatives are the most important thing in your Facebook ads campaign. So make sure you test a lot of it and you put some time and effort into making quality creatives. Number 3, focus on other data metrics besides ROAS. Obviously ROAS, it's important, but don't just focus on it. You need to focus on profitability, conversion rate, average order value within the campaign, CPM, click-through rate. Don't just look at the ROAS. I found a lot of business owners focus just on ROAS and they ignore all of the other metrics, which in my opinion is wrong. You need to see the whole picture besides the damn ROAS. And that's about it. I hope you found value in this video. If so, like and subscribe to my channel. It really helps me out to get these videos out there, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.